Do you want to know how you can log into your Fliki.ai account using your Facebook? If yes, then you've come to the right place. Hello and welcome to Tech AI. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Fliki.ai using your Facebook. Go ahead and open Chrome or Edge browser on your PC. Go to the Google search bar to search for Fliki. After you search Fliki, click on the official page and it will take you to this page over here. Click login, which is over here. After you click login, you can see various options. Go ahead and click continue with Facebook to log in to your Facebook account. After you click Facebook, you can see that you have now been logged into your Fliki.ai account using your Facebook account. You must also keep in note that you must be logged into your Facebook account in this browser. Only then you will be granted access and then you can log into your Fliki.ai account using Facebook. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.